Making a cake can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here is a detailed recipe for making a basic vanilla cake. Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ cups granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ cup unsalted butter, softened 1 cup whole milk, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease 2 9-inch cake pans with butter or cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. Add the softened butter to the dry ingredients, and mix with an electric mixer on medium speed until the mixture becomes crumbly. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, and vanilla extract until well combined. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients while mixing on low speed, and continue mixing until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 prepared cake pans, and smooth the tops with a spatula. Bake the cakes in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of each cake comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven, and let them cool in the pans for 5 to 10 minutes. Run a butter knife around the edge of each cake to loosen it from the pan, and then invert the pans onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cakes are completely cool, you can frost and decorate them as desired. That's it. You now have a delicious vanilla cake that you can enjoy with friends and family.